Hello everyone, welcome to Online Income Stream, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a book cover, a KDP book cover, the Kindle version, using Canva with just your smartphone. I'm going to be making this for this tutorial. I'm going to be making a book cover on how to be a good husband. So first thing you need to do is come to your browser. Once you're in your browser, search for pixels.com. Is a website that you can get free stock images. You don't need to worry about any copyright issues. So this is pixels.com. So I'm going to search for good husband, search, and as you can see, it has given me a lot of images for good husband. I think this one right here will fit perfectly, so I'm going to download it into my phone. After downloading it into your phone, you come to the Canva app. Let's let it load. Let's give it a time to load. Okay, very good. So this is the Canva app. You click this button right here below, the plus icon, so that you can create your new design. Then you click on customize design, because Canva has a specific inches they need their book cover to be. So you come here, this place that said px, you change it to in inches. Then you click on the width, which is 6, and the height is 9. You click on create new design to start designing your book cover. So just wait for it to load. My network is a little bit slow. Good. Now that it has loaded, you come to gallery. Once you come to gallery, you choose the image, that same image you downloaded from the pixels free stock image. You click on it. Yes, as you can see it, you slide it way up, then you bring it down. It has to fill in all the edges here, and this is perfect, as you can see. Then click on this plus icon again to add text to the click on design. Once you are back to design, above here you can see style. You click on style. Now you choose a writing. Let me choose this one. I like choosing this one. Okay, let's allow it to load. Good. So as you can see now, it's loaded and the writing is here, but the writing has dark color, black, so it's not visible. We are going to change the color to white and change all. As you can see now, all the writing is white. So this is where you write your heading, the title of your book. Let's see, it's how to be a good husband. Okay, then you drag it up, and then you reduce the size so that it fits perfectly. Good. Then the subheading, let's say the subheading we are going to put, let's say our subheading is unlock the secrets to a happy home. Very good. So as you can see now, we have our title and subtitle. So next is the body. So once you click on the body, you click on this edit below. Click on edit, then you can write the name of the author of the book. Let's take for example, the name of the author is Aliyu Salihu. Then you are going to write Aliyu Salihu. Good. So it's written, but the text is a little bit slim. You can either come to B format below here, right here, as I'm pointing, and bold it. Even though it's bolded, it still looks slim. So how about we change fonts? You come to fonts right here, fonts below. As you can see, you have different varieties of free fonts. Some are paid, so you can't use them, but You have different varieties of free fonts, so let's use this Horizon. Very good. You see it's clearly written now, and then you can increase the size. All you need to do is next to fonts here you can see font size, click on it, font size, increase the size. Perfect. As you can see, the size of the author's name is boldly written, the subheading is clearly written, and the heading is clearly written. But one thing you can do is that it still looks kind of odd because it's not visible from the background. So all you need to do is click on, once you click on the heading, what you need to do is you slide it to side, come to effect down here. Once you come to effect, you see there is no effect, so it's on none. You click on the shadow, click on it again. It's going to cast a white color shadow on it, so it doesn't make much difference. So you come below color right here, color, then you click on it, put the opposite color, it makes it pop up on the screen and your writing. Just observe when I click on black, you see the way it just pops up. You come back and then increase the transparency so it shows very well. As you can see, it looks much more clearer now. Then you click on the subheading too, you come do the same thing, effects, shadow, click on the shadow again, choose color, select black. Then once you come back, you increase the transparency to make it pop up and stand out. Very good. Now do it for the author's name too. Click on effects, shadow, click on shadow again, change the color to black, then back, add the transparency. And if you are using a black font, the color of your font is black, then I will suggest you use a white background for the shadow, so it makes it pop up and stand out. Okay, so now it's very clear. We already have our book cover, though I will suggest when you are making your book cover, reduce the writing to the middle, so it doesn't, so when you're uploading it on KDP, you don't have issues of them saying your writing is outside the area, it's outside the book cover area. So let's reduce the writing a little bit, font of the writing, and put it in the middle. That's perfect. So our book cover is already looking good, but one more thing we need to add on this book cover is we need to change the color of the photo, because the photo of the background, it just looks like you just put a writing in front of a photo and it doesn't look professional and more like a book cover. So you click on the space between this space between the writing, don't click on anything, just the space. Once you click on it, you see this appears. Then you come to filter below here. Once you click on filter, you choose any filter that fits perfectly. Normally I usually go for drama here, because of the color of the background. Drama looks a little bit more dark here, or you can still adjust it, so you can adjust it. But even though, I would suggest you go for epic. This looks perfect and it looks more like a book cover now. So let's save our work. And when you want to save your book cover, KDP usually prefers you save it as JPG format. So you click on the first the last icon here. Once you click on it, you click on download. You see now it's normally PNG, that's the suggested format, but then if he doesn't like it, they won't approve it if you submit the Kindle version book cover as PNG. So you have to use JPG. Click on JPG, then click on download. Very good. So our book cover is perfectly designed. Let's look at what we have created on picture. Very good. So as you can see, we have a very beautiful formatted book cover that says how to be a good husband, and the subtitle is Unlock the Secrets to a Happy Home. So So thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you get awesome tutorials and methods on how you can make money online anytime I upload it. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment below. Thank you all.